Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Arlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's get right into this. So these are Cushion Ombre Painting Gel Nail Polishes. It comes with two different ones. It comes with the little sponges right here, and then this is the device that picks up the sponges. Let me go ahead and show you the colors, and then we're gonna see what they look like. So this, if you open it up, you can see it has like the place where you'll actually dip the sponge in. And then that is what the color looks like. So it comes with white. It does also come with this blue color right here. And pretty much what you do is you grab the sponges. So you grab the sponges with this, and then you're able just to kind of pat it on with this. But let me go ahead and show you what it looks like in use. Okay, so we already put the base coat on. Almost set. Let's go fast. You're gonna do it at the tip one? Mm-hmm. So as you can see, that's what it looks like. And now we're gonna do the top coat, right? And as you can see, that's what it looks like. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, God bless.